Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. Today I'm doing a special collaboration video with Niki D Art, N-I-K-I-D Art. I will have her link to her channel here, and you can go check out her stuff. She's got some amazing artwork. She does a lot of the bloom technique and swipes and just some really cool stuff. So, and she's from Australia, so we are working 15 hour difference apart. So that's probably been the most challenging of it all, because I'm like texting her at midnight and it's only 8 o'clock in the morning here. So our collaboration is to do a 12-inch round, whether it be a canvas or a piece of MDF. I actually have a piece of MDF that I'll be using. And we're going to be using the Bloom pouring medium, and we had to use 2 of the little piggy pigments, 2 of Primary Elements by Color Art pigments, and 2 paint colors. We could use cell activator of one of those colors. I actually chose another color because I wanted to see if it works. But it's an interference color, so it's actually a blue or a purple, but it's interference blue or purple, so technically it is a color. And then we had to choose a base color that was a dark base color, but not black. So for my base, I actually made a custom mix, and I used this Academy acrylic by Grumbacher, and this is Prussian blue. I mixed it with some iridescent medium and some Blick acrylic fluorescent violet. So that is my base. It's really pretty, sparkly. It's kind of like a deep periwinkle, like a more purpley periwinkle. I don't know how to explain it, but it came out pretty. I didn't want a dark blue. I didn't want a navy, because I want my colors to pop out, because I was using a lot of blue. So I just wanted something a little bit lighter. So the pigments I have today, I have this little piggy. I will have a link to where you can buy these, and this is Mermaid, and that's just like a teal aqua, right? So our colors were blue, turquoise, purple, and gold, shades thereof. So that's what we had to use. This is the little piggy pigment, and this is Nightfall. These are really, really nice, rich pigments. So that's a purple. And then for my primary elements, I have Bellagio blue. It's kind of like a sparkly ultramarine. Okay. And then for my other one, I have Snapdragon. This is one of my favorites. It's like a bluey purple iridescent. It's so pretty. It's one of my favorites. So for my 2 paint colors, obviously I'm going to have gold, and this is Modern Masters. It's a satin finish, and this is the Gold Rush. And I have that mixed up. Okay. And my other one is an Art Minds DIY, and this one is called Purple Punch, and it's kind of like a color shift. Pretty. All right, so we have those. And for my cell activators, blues and purples, I have a interference violet, just a little bit of that. So I just kind of want to see what the interference do for lacing. And then I have the interference blue by Golden. And the cell activator is mixed 3 parts Australian floetrol to 1 part paint. I will have the recipe I use in my description box, but it's your basic bloom recipe. And yeah, that's it. So I'm going to get started. I'm going to get my MDF prepped and tape the back of it and get it all ready, and we'll get started.
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I wanna take you there. I would give it all away to do it all again. Make our love a story that would never end. Never thought I'd feel so alive, looking in your eyes. I just wanna love you till the day I die. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there.